Hi, I'm Matt with Welder Supply, and today we're unboxing the brand new Miller Venture 150 series. This is Miller's battery-powered stick and TIG welding power source. Available in 2 different models designed for different workflows. It's lightweight, incredibly portable, and engineered specifically for welding with swappable 400 watt-hour battery packs. Let's open it up and see exactly what you get in the box. Now that we unboxed everything, let's look at what we got. Here we have the T model, which is the TIG model. Of course, we get the machine, the battery pack, your battery charger, power cables, your ground clamp and your stinger, regulator, inert gas hose, finger control, of course your TIG torch, and your accessory kit. One of the highlights of this machine is the 400 watt-hour battery pack. They're lightweight, built for high-demand applications, and rated for over 1,000 charge cycles under proper use. Plus, it has a 100% duty cycle at maximum output. If you ordered a dual battery package, you'll have 2 of these so you can keep one charging while you weld. Standard charging can fill the battery to 95% in under 60 minutes. Fast charging gets you there in 30 minutes. Now with the S model, what you would get would be the machine, the battery, power cables, stinger, ground clamp, and of course, your battery charger. Now for the main event, here is the 150 power source. Let's take a look at the front panel. You've got a bright LED display up top and a color LCD interface for navigating your settings. The menu button and selector knob keep operation simple and intuitive. There's also a USB port for updates, so your machine can stay current. Let's talk about what this machine is built to do. The Venture 150S is the stick-first model. It runs from 20 to 150 amps and includes a dedicated stick mode for running 6010 electrodes, which is a big deal for pipe and open root applications. You also get an adaptive hot start for smooth, confident arc stick stuck detection that shuts output off if the rod sticks, and low OCV mode for added safety on the job. The Venture 150T is the TIG-focused version. It's ideal for contractors and maintenance crews who primarily run electrodes but want TIG as an option. It adds high-frequency starts for non-contact arc initiation, pulse TIG with quiet pulse technology, adjustable pre-flow and post-flow, and integrated gas solenoid and a 6-pin remote receptacle for fingertip or foot controls. So that's the Miller Venture 150 series. Portable, battery-powered, 27 pounds, built for real job site performance with 100% duty cycle output. If you're ready to step into battery-powered welding without sacrificing performance, hit the link in the description or visit weldersupply.com to check out the Venture 150 series. Thanks for watching.